Hey there, finance friends. If you're paid bi-weekly, you probably know that a few times a year, you get a special treat, a third paycheck in a single month. Let's dive into how you can make the absolute most out of these golden opportunities. First, let's break down the magic behind it. There are 52 weeks in a year, which means 26 pay periods if you're paid every 2 weeks. Most months you get 2 paychecks, but those extra pay periods don't quite fit into the 12-month calendar, so voila, 2 months with 3 paychecks. For 2025, your 3 paycheck months will depend on your first paycheck of the year. So grab your pay stubs or check your bank statements to find out when that first sweet paycheck hit your account. Trust me, it's worth knowing. Now let's get to the juicy part, how to make the most of that extra paycheck. It might feel like a bonus, but it's just part of your regular salary, so let's use it wisely. First tip, pay off debt. Use that extra paycheck to make an additional mortgage payment, knock down some credit card debt, or tackle those student loans. For example, with a $400,000 mortgage at a 7.4% fixed interest rate, just one extra payment a year could save you thousands in interest over the life of the loan. Imagine that. Next up, boost your savings. After covering your usual expenses, funnel that extra cash into your emergency fund or long-term savings goals. Consider a high-yield savings account or a high-yield CD. With interest rates climbing as high as 4%, that's a smart way to let your money work for you. Finally, remember to think ahead. Before your direct deposit hits, have a plan in place for where that money will go. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for the future, or even treating yourself a little, having a strategy ensures you're getting the most bang for your buck. So there you have it. Making the most of a 3-paycheck month is all about planning and prioritizing. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more personal finance tips. See you next time.